Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Rider Rob. Last week I had fixed a LED light on my motorcycle, so I'll show you the light and I'll explain you how to fix that one. If you want the brackets, you can let me know. This is how the light is looking on the bike. It looks quite big, but that's fine. It serves the purpose, right? And this is how it looks from the side. So this is how it looks on the bike. This is the bracket. I fixed it on this screw, which is for the mudguard, and I've added a couple of washes so it doesn't damage the mudguard. It's very strong. It doesn't shake. It's very rigid. Let me tell you about the wiring. I've connected the negative directly to this one because it's a metal, so I've connected to that. And the positive, it has come here and it has come all the way up here, which comes from above. I've made it two, so that one goes to the left, one goes to the right light, and this is also connected in the same way. This is a speed sensor cable. This is LED light wire, which is connected to this switch. So from this switch I've taken the wire, and from this switch one wire I've connected to the high beam. So whenever I switch on high beam, it will work. I don't want the fog lamps to work. I can just switch it off, and only the high beams will work. So let me switch it on and show it to you. This is how it is. It looks cool, and it's very bright at night. I'll show you in the evening how it works. Okay guys, it's absolutely dark now. There is no light. Let me switch on the low beam. This is the low beam, and there's a temple in front of me which is not visible. So let me switch on the high beam with the fog lights. Yes, it's visible now. In camera you cannot see that much, a difference, but in actual there's a lot of difference. So that's it guys. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. For the switch, I've made a small bracket here which holds the switch, so it's looking good. Thank you for watching guys, and there's a lot more videos coming up, and stay subscribed, and if you're new to the channel, then please do subscribe. Thank you for watching once again. Ride safe. Bye bye. Brother, it's caught in the crossfire.